Wait, before you skip this video, I want to ask you a very simple question. How many of you own an iPhone, order from Amazon, or stream Netflix at night? Probably most of you. Did you own them? Yes, you heard it right. क्या आप इन कंपनियों के मालिक हो? आप इन कंपनियों के मालिक बन सकते हो by investing in them. So, yes, you heard it right. You can invest in Netflix. You can invest in Apple. You can invest in Microsoft. You can invest in Tesla. How? In this video, I'll give you a straight path which is less complicated, secure, of how to invest in foreign stocks right from India. अब क्वेश्चन ये उठता है कि आप फॉरेन स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट क्यों ही करो. सो द आंसर इज़ कि अगर आज से 10 साल पहले आपने 10,000 रुपीज़ एप्पल में इन्वेस्ट किए होते तो इट वुड बी इन लैक्स टुडे ड्यू टू द ग्लोबल प्रेजेंस ऑफ एप्पल. वेयर एज द सेम अमाउंट अगर आपने BSC में, बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में लगाया होता यहाँ इंडिया में, इट वुड बी इन सम 38,000 48,000 लाइक दैट. So, due to the global presence, you will get the global exposure to the financial market. Next is the huge explosion of these company. These company has a huge explosion. The way you must be remembering the way we shifted from TV to Netflix. There is a explosion in these company. Next comes the currency differential. For example, now you all know that the dollar is trading way higher as compared to rupee. Currently, the dollar is approximately, you kindly let me know in the comment section what is the dollar to rupee trading right now, and you yourself will see how the investor are benefiting from this currency differential. Which platform you actually have to use for investing in foreign share by sitting here in India. The platform is NXCIX, that is NSE International Exchange, which is the subsidiary of NSE India, that is National Stock Exchange. So now the question arises that how you can onboard it or how you can use it. You can use it by having a 30-second eKYC done using your PAN card and Aadhaar card. Now question arises, do you need a separate Demat account? No, you don't need a separate Demat account for trading on NSE International Exchange. And you can invest as small as $5 to $10 in foreign market through this platform. Moreover, the time window for trading here is 7 p.m. to 2 a.m. Thank you so much, and if you like the video, then do subscribe to the channel and let your friends and family know about this financial information. Thank you. Okay, and guys, I'll be sharing the link of this NSE International Exchange in the description box. You can access that from the very same, and do let me know if you face any sort of problem while investing. I'll be there for you. Thank you.